Good day to you all. My name is Edward Jacob, an electrical engineer with an undying passion for technology and programming. Today I'll be sharing a light on two different programming languages, JavaScript and Python. I'll call this little enlightenment, Unlocking the World of JavaScript with Python, a path to programming success. Let me start by asking, have you ever found JavaScript to be a bit intimidating on your journey into the world of programming? I'm here to tell you, you're not alone. Many aspiring learners like me, or you, if the case maybe have felt the same way. But fear not, because Python is literally made to open that door to JavaScript's complexity. Python and JavaScript are like two peas in a pod when it comes to programming. Think about these. Functions like arrays in JavaScript and lists in Python are similar in their abilities. Operators, assigning values to variables, and updating them. These are concepts that both JavaScript and Python embrace, making the learning process more intriguing and enjoyable. Look at the bright side. It's all about understanding. Python is the key to unlocking JavaScript's mysteries. Say for example the .map function in JavaScript is just like Python's append function. There are indeed many other interesting similarities that will light up your programming journey. I'll confidently tell you this today. Don't be discouraged by the prospect of learning multiple programming languages. Embrace the adventure. Each language with its unique complexity, so to say, is like a puzzle piece in the grand picture of programming. Discover how they work together to achieve common goals and tasks, and witness the beauty of diverse languages enhancing your coding skills. Once again, my name is Edward Jacob. If you're eager to embark on your programming journey or explore the basics of computer learning, take the first step by clicking the link on the description below. I'll personally guide you on that path to success. Join me in this exciting adventure of computer training and explore the fascinating worlds of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, CorelDRAW, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, C, C++, and even robotics. Thank you for your time. Please hit the like and subscribe button to help us bring more to young minds all over the world.